Hello, hello. Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. I am your teacher, Lily.
And I am Mateo, your student. Hi, everyone.
Today, we have a new topic, at the doctor. When we are sick or have a problem, we go to the doctor. It is a very common situation, and it is important to know how to speak English in this moment.
Yes, talking to a doctor in English is scary for many people.
But today, we will make it easy, simple, and slow. And just like the last episode, we will learn step by step greetings, numbers, days of the week, objects, food and drinks, daily activities.
And all connected to a doctor's appointment.
Exactly. And you, listener, remember, repeat after us when we ask. Let's begin. When you go to the doctor, you need simple greetings. Repeat after me. Hello. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening.
And the doctor will probably ask, "How are you?"
Yes, and you can answer, I'm fine. But if you are at the doctor, maybe you are not fine. So, repeat. I'm not feeling well. I feel sick. I have a problem.
Now let's do a little dialogue.
Good morning.
Good morning, doctor.
How are you?
I'm not feeling well.
Repeat. I'm not feeling well. I feel sick. I have a problem. Great. Numbers are very important at the doctor. You can use numbers to talk about temperature, pain level, medication times, number of days sick. So let's review numbers 0 to 10. Repeat after me. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
In a hospital or clinic, the doctor can ask, on a scale of 1 to 10, how is your pain?
Yes. For example, my pain is 4. My pain is 8. Repeat. My pain is 5. My pain is 7.
The doctor may also ask about temperature. Repeat. My temperature is 38. My temperature is 37.
And sometimes the doctor says, take this pill 2 times a day.
Good. Repeat. 2 times a day. 3 times a day.
Now, let's review the days of the week. Repeat. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
A doctor might say, come back on Monday. Your appointment is on Friday.
Yes, let's practice. Repeat. My appointment is on Wednesday. I go to the doctor on Tuesday.
Now, a small dialogue.
Mateo, when is your appointment?
My appointment is on Thursday. Repeat. My appointment is on Thursday.
At the doctor's office, we see many objects. Repeat these words: chair, table, computer, stethoscope, thermometer, medication, prescription, bed.
Let's use these in small sentences.
Yes, repeat. The doctor has a stethoscope. I need a prescription. The doctor uses a computer. I check my temperature with a thermometer.
Now I will ask questions. Do you have a prescription?
Yes, I have a prescription. Repeat. Yes, I have a prescription. Sometimes the doctor will talk about food and drinks. For example, what do you eat? What do you drink? What should you avoid? Repeat these words: water, tea, juice, bread, rice, chicken, vegetables, fruit, sugar, soda.
The doctor might say, drink more water, eat more vegetables, stop drinking soda.
Yes. Repeat. Drink more water. Eat healthy food. Don't eat too much sugar. Mateo, what do you eat?
I eat rice and chicken.
Good. And what do you drink?
I drink water and juice.
Great. Repeat. I eat vegetables. I drink water. I don't drink soda. Now let's connect daily activities with doctor visits. Repeat. Wake up. Take a shower. Eat breakfast. Go to the doctor. Wait in the waiting room. Talk to the doctor. Get a prescription. Go home. Take medicine. Rest. Sleep.
Now, Lily, let's make a simple daily routine story.
I wake up at 8. I take a shower. I eat breakfast. I don't feel well. I go to the doctor. I wait in the waiting room. The doctor talks to me. I get a prescription. I go home. I take the medicine. I rest. I sleep. Mateo, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7.
And then what do you do?
I take a shower and eat breakfast.
When do you go to the doctor?
I go to the doctor at 10.
Very good. Repeat. I wake up.
I wake up.
I take a shower.
I take a shower.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
I go to the doctor.
I go to the doctor.
I get a prescription.
I get a prescription.
I go home.
I go home.
Now, let's put everything together in a complete scene. Hello, my name is Lily. Today is Tuesday. I wake up at 7. I don't feel well. I have a headache. I take a shower and eat breakfast. Then I go to the doctor. I wait in the waiting room. The doctor says, "Good morning." The doctor asks, "How are you?" I say, "I'm not feeling well." The doctor checks my temperature. My temperature is 38. The doctor gives me a prescription. I go home. I take the medicine 2 times a day. I rest. I drink water. I feel better. I sleep. Now, answer these questions out loud. What day is it? Does she feel well? What is her temperature? What does she do after the doctor?
It is Tuesday. No, she is not feeling well. Her temperature is 38. She goes home and takes medicine.
Very good. Now let's review what we learned today. Repeat after me. Greetings. Hello. Good morning. How are you? I'm not feeling well. Numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Doctor's office objects. Stethoscope, thermometer, prescription, computer, food and drinks, water, vegetables, rice, chicken, soda. Daily activities. Wake up, take a shower, go to the doctor, get medicine, rest, sleep.
This was a great lesson, very helpful for real life.
Yes, and listener, listen again and repeat as many times as you need. Practice makes perfect.
Thank you for learning with us.
See you in the next episode. Bye.
Bye.